All right, we're going to be looking at rewriting and graphing a rational function. So we have this function g of x equals 3x plus 5 over x plus 1. And we need to go ahead and get it written into the form of a over x minus h plus k. This was taught to you guys, I think last week. In order to do this, you do long division. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3x plus 5 and then x plus 1. We want to see how many times x plus 1 goes into it. Well, it goes in 3 times. That gives you 3x plus 3. If you subtract it, that goes away, and you're just left with a remainder of 2. So you are left with 3 and 2 over x plus 1. However, this doesn't necessarily look like that form, so all we have to do is flip it. So this is 2 over x plus 1 plus 3. So that is our new equation. And what this is a looking at the f of x equals 2 over x function, because 2 is the constant. This is a translation. Left 1 unit. That's where that comes in. And up 3. And that's where that comes in. So it says go ahead and graph it. So you can just pick some points to plug in. The best thing that you guys can use is that you're going to have an asymptote at, my asymptote's going to be at y equals 3 and x equals -1. So I can go ahead and draw those lines. We'll call that -1 and 3. So we know our graph's going to be around those points but not touching. When you go ahead and you're going to want to pick points to the left of -1. So I could pick points at -3 and -2. And then pick points greater than -1, so I'll pick it at 0 and 1. Those are actually all fairly easy points to work with. So plugging that into our function, 2 over -3 plus 1, so it's 2 over -2. It's -1 plus 3. That gives me a point of 2. So I'm going to be, let's see, that's -3 and 2. Right now I'm just estimating. When you have lined paper, it'll be, or graph paper, it'll be a little neater. 2 over -2 plus 1, that's 2 over -1, so that's -2 plus 3 gives me 1. And so you can see you're headed that way with that side. And now on the other side, we can obviously guess that it's going to be diagonal to what we have, but we'll check. If I have 2 over 0 plus 1, that's 2 over 1, which is 2 plus 3, that's 5. So at 0, I'm going to be up here at 5. It's probably a little higher than that. And then at 1, that's 2 over 2, which is 1 plus 3, that's 4. So I'll be looking like that. And that's what the graph's going to look like. It's a little messy right now. But the important thing is that you get the gist of it. Honestly, you guys have kind of already known this in, what is that, section 6.2. So we're kind of revisiting it.